If you want to know the contents of a geodatabase, typically what you do is you go to Catalog, put the geodatabase pathway in, and then you can see what's in the geodatabase. This particular geodatabase is huge, as you can see as I drag up and down. And if I want to look at any one single file, I can click on it and it will load the file here in the geography window. Normally the metadata is the default window that you have here. So you can see what's in a geodatabase, but this particular geodatabase has hundreds of files within it. And this is the same geodatabase we've been working with in some of our other examples. So if I would like to know part of the geodatabase or the entire geodatabase, how we do that with Python script is what we're going to show you in this component. So I'm going to take my previous code that I used and I'm going to copy the first 3 lines and I'm going to paste it in a new window to write Python code. So again, this is my notebook and I'm just going to use this window here. Going to make this fairly simple. I'm going to create a variable called feature equals arcpy dot, press the tab key. I'm going to say list feature. There it is, feature classes. So what I want to do is know what's in my geodatabase. So I'm going to list the members of the feature class. And in this case, I'm going to start by putting nothing in my parenthesis. I've already set up the pathway to the geodatabase, as you can see. And I'm going to just say print feature and hit enter. And I'm going to say run. We'll give it a few moments. Okay, you can see it has been completed. You can see just how many different files are there. It took a fair length of time. We cut out a little bit of the dead time for you so that you do not have to just sit and watch us waiting for this to occur. But you can see the number of files. So we're going to go back and modify this. So I'm going to go to the 4th line. Here we had left the parentheses empty. We're going to put in a quotation mark. Notice it puts both the left and the right. We're going to name an Indiana county here. So it's going to be IN underscore the county name. That's our naming convention. And then there would be something after it. But then we're going to put an asterisk, which is a wildcard feature. So it's going to show me everything that meets this type of criteria, which is IN underscore rush. And anything else that's thereafter will be used. That's all the modification I'm going to make. I'm going to go back here and select run again. And we're going to rerun that script. That's one of the nice things about working in Python. We can make a very small change here. Our notebook then allows us to see what that small change does. You can see the results. There you found 3 different files. I found a stream file, a water file, and a cemetery file. And so let's see if I can locate these files over on the left-hand side in Catalog. There's the cemetery file. It should load it for us. Here is the stream file. And the water file, which is a set of polygons. And so you can see the different file types. So we can preview them using Catalog. We can get their names directly by writing just a very simple script using the command ListFeatureClasses.